Welcome to our comprehensive guide on monitor technologies. In this detailed exploration, we'll unveil the technical nuances of various monitor types, from the historic CRT to the latest OLED displays. Let's start with CRT, the cathode ray tube. Utilizing electron beams to produce images by illuminating phosphors on a glass screen, CRTs were once prevalent. However, their bulky size, lower resolution, and substantial power consumption led to their gradual phase-out. Transitioning to LCD, or liquid crystal display. These monitors used liquid crystals sandwiched between two polarizing filters to display images. Although thinner and more energy efficient than CRTs, they faced limitations in color reproduction and viewing angles. Enter LED, or light-emitting diode. Revolutionizing LCD technology, LED monitors employ LEDs for backlighting, enhancing brightness, contrast ratios, and energy efficiency. They offer superior color accuracy compared to traditional LCDs. Moving forward, we arrive at OLED, organic light-emitting diode. OLED screens don't require backlighting. Each pixel emits its light, delivering unparalleled contrast with true blacks and vibrant colors. Their thinness and flexibility are notable advancements. Now, let's delve into the varied panel types. TN, or twisted pneumatic, offers rapid response times suitable for gaming but tends to compromise on color accuracy and viewing angles. VA, or vertical alignment, strikes a balance between TN and IPS panels. It boasts better color reproduction and wider viewing angles but might exhibit slower response times. Finally, IPS, or in-plane switching, emerges as a top contender for color accuracy and wider viewing angles. Renowned for its consistency in color representation, IPS panels find favor in professional applications such as graphic design and content creation. Understanding the diverse characteristics of each monitor type assists in making an informed choice tailored to your specific needs. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more in-depth tech guides and reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing valuable content. Thanks for watching.